Hey everybody, it's Neil and we are in the bathroom and I want to show you this phone case that I got here. And the reason we are in my bathroom is because I can show you it going on the phone as we're doing it because I'm filming with the same phone that we'll be using. So let's see if I can open up the case. Actually, I have two different ones here. I have two different colors of the same thing. So we'll open up this one here. Boy, I probably should have opened it before I started the video. But there's the idea here. So this is what the case looks like. You can see it's got the MagSafe charging kind of stuff going on with it. It says it's by Kingflag, and it's got a soft kind of like a buttery leather kind of stuff on the inside, like a suede feel on the inside. On the outside, it has your little buttons here, which will push through. The 3 buttons for the iPhone 16 Pro. It's got the opening for the camera spot and the on-off button there. And then the charging through there. So let's see how this is gonna fit onto the one here. So hopefully it's gonna start focusing in on it as we're putting it on. And I gotta try to put it on without pushing the power. Okay, it's on. I pushed the power button, so it ended up going off. But this is what it looks like on there. Fits really well. I don't know if you'll be able to see this side here. Let me see if I can switch. Okay, now we're looking at this camera here, and you can kind of see it's got a good little rim around the edge. So it kind of has that feel to it there, and it's good. And I even have a screen protector on, and it still has a little bit there, so if it drops face down, it should work okay. So that's pretty good. I really like this one, really good. And it had the little rim around it for the back. I'm gonna go and flip it around again. Okay, so now we're filming around the back, and it has this little rim around the back. And what's cool is you can kind of see I'm flipping this up. Can you see that there? Let's see, how can I aim it? I guess I can't aim it very good. But you see this little piece flips up. So what that's gonna do is give you the ability to kind of put it on its side and balance it on something so you can like watch a show or something like that, but then you flip it back up there and nobody will ever even know that it's there. So kind of a hidden stand, which is really cool. So I'm gonna say thumbs up. This is a really neat phone case, so totally cool.